Walk on YouTube, boy, one. Done, the Freshest Jamaican. Wait there, speaking of Freshest Jamaican, me and my Freshest Jamaican merch. You see me say you can check at One Dan TV merch and get the merch. And say, oh, for today's video, I'm glad I'm outside. You see me a long time when I do a public video. So what we are going to do is, we'll go up to some people and tell them, say, oh, if I can give them a head. You see me answer their reaction. Because you know how Jamaican people stay when people ask them about heads. Especially man them. I plan to go up to niggas to and say, yo, I can give you a head, brother, and see how they react. But actually, is a earhead more and give them, you see me? So, you don't see how they react. You see it? So, see you back in the next quarter.
Are you hiding something? What do you have under your jacket?
Nothing.
Oh, Bart, not again. Give it to me.
I told you, I don't have anything.
You can't hide from me in this house, Bart. I spend 23 hours a day here. Hand it over. Oh, Bart. I can't believe you did this.
I wanted to surprise you for Christmas.
Oh, sweetie. This is the...
Excuse me. Excuse me. I didn't wonder if I could have given you a head.
A what? Sir, I'm like...
No, what are you talking about? Look at him. Look here. At this matter about. Look. This matter about here. I understand. Excuse me, miss. May I give her some head? I wonder if you don't want one. Head. Miss, may I try to sell some head for girls' school in this?
I don't want any.
You don't want any? Alright, miss.
No.
Excuse me, miss. May I give her some head? You don't want to
Huh?
some head. No man never give her a head before, miss. Look at her. So I can't give you
What are those?
earhead.
Where you put them hands?
Earhead go in your mouth, miss.
Oh,
You don't want a head? Alright, so next time. Excuse me, miss. You know, some day I give her some head and I wonder if I could have give you a head.
give us all what?
Some head. No man never give you a head before. Look at her, where you go? Look, at this me I talk. Look at her, just look.
Like somebody else.
No, some earhead me. I saw earhead me myself, he said my God.
Cap.
Alright, I walk with her then since I can't stop. My day I give her some head. Somebody wonder if you did want a head.
No.
Because I try to sell some head for girls' school. Some earhead, they're selling for girls' school. No want any? Boy, miss, college or Canada, I get accepted final. And
No, I know, but me not depend on right now.
so you know I know. So you ever get head from a man yet, miss? Because me there I try to sell this head a whole long and I can't sell it to nobody. You think some girl out there front to that give me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Hi, how are you doing? You know, some day I give me some head. So, you know, accept head from niggas.
Nice stranger.
So, we can be friendly and then just buy head. Look here, no? Just look here. And this is me I sell still because I get accepted for college and I sell some head. The next, why? So you not support strangers? Alright, so next time then. Excuse me, miss. Hi, how are you doing? Just stop here. You know somebody here and me I try to sell some head to some lovely women, but nobody no want to accept no head from me. Somebody wonder if I could have sell your head to help send me to school.
Can you not follow me?
No, but at this me did want to sell.
No joke.
I bring me general. You know somebody I try to hustle me there I give her some head, but nobody no want to give me no head. Somebody wonder if I could have give her some head right now.
Oh, a prank you do, man.
Hi, you good?
Yeah.
You know, some day I try to give her some head, but it's like it's like nobody no want no head from me. Somebody wonder if I could have give some head right now.
What do you mean by it?
What do you mean? What I mean? No man never give you a head yet.
What that mean?
I saw some head to send my girl to school, so I wonder if I could have give some head right now. Look here now. This man talk. You don't want it? Oh, go on, sir. You know, some day and I give you some head to people, but I don't get through. Somebody wonder if I could have give you a head.
Man, we are talking what kind of head?
Eh?
Me have made already.
You have head already? Yeah. No, I try to give you some nice sweet head right now. Look at now. Look at now. This me did that talk, sir. Look now. This me did that talk. Sicky. Oh, go on, Sicky. But then I'll give you some head. Somebody on them could give you a head. Sicky.
When I get
What? I give you some head. Some sweet head. Somebody on them could give you a head.
what you call it, sir?
You don't know when people give people a head, Sicky?
Eh?
You don't know when people give people
Sure,
a
say
head?
me I talk to.
You don't want head? You want yes or no, Sicky? Because a business man do right now, you know.
So a nice girl.
Look at now, this media talk, Sicky. What you mean about girl? Are you more want to sell head? You don't want it?
No.
How could I give you a head for your soup? Alright. I say, my director says, I'm going to hustle some soup. You see me, some down there, could I give you a head? Give you a head for your soup. Yeah? Head where people give people. Like, you never give somebody a head yet? Or somebody never give a head yet?
Also, if you could have given a head.
Yeah, if you want soup. Eh? But I'm hungry, I'm hustle some soup in a soup. Somebody on them could I do it. Quick and more get quick and fast. But this media talk about still, so you could have worked out because a $300 for this and somebody on them, a $300 for this and somebody on them could have give it for soup. At this media talk about, what do you think media talk about? What do you think media talk?
You say head, I don't know what you're talking
No, soup, what do you think media talk? Soup, give me back me. No. Get out the boat! I'm a hustle, so I did give you some head in the street, but it did hard for me to give you some head, so I did wonder if I could have give you some head right now. Look at now, what you talk about? At this me I talk about, look now, I saw earhead me and say, where you run go? I don't understand me, I say.
She's a runner, she's a...
Sicky, why you free now, Sicky? You good? You know, somebody give you some head, Sicky, and I wonder if I could have give you a head right now. So a head.
What kind of head?
80 So I wonder if I could have give you a head right now.
You have to explain to me what kind of head you are.
Alright, you ever give somebody a head yet?
No.
Or somebody ever give you a head yet?
Somebody ever give me a head yet?
Yeah.
I have a head, I don't want another head.
So nobody ever give a head yet?
Boss,
What kind of life you
I
live?
had a head, don't it?
Eh.
So why should I want another head, sir?
So nobody know, yes, your life boring, Sicky. But anyways, at this media talk about still. You see me if I could have support your business and I sell some earhead. You know, alright. Boy, it's hard for hustle in Jamaica though.
Look at this.
Good afternoon. What a lucky day. You trying together? Three beautiful ladies. Anyways, before you go in, miss, I'm there and I give you some head. So I don't want to give you some head right now. I just am myself. I talk about YouTube. Why free? I let me there try hustle. Wait a minute, I can't give you a head.
What is?
Yeah, head.
Where for?
Eat it, miss. Excuse me, miss. You know, some day I try hustle. There and I ask people if I can get in my head, but it's like nobody know want me get in my head. Somebody don't wonder if I could have sell your head.
What your head?
Heads, miss.
What your head?
No man never give a head yet, miss.
Why I got to down and go over there somewhere?
No, look here. Yeah, I'm open to enjoy videos, you miss rain all that come down. So just remember to like, share and subscribe. I remember say cause $0, you see me? Big up my friend Potan, Shakir. I spring out video see me. We outside, you see me? Another banger.